everyone and welcome back to my channel. To make this basic ribbed style crochet beanie, you're going to need a weight 4 yarn and a 5mm hook. This hat is perfect for the beginner crocheter. There's nothing but basic stitches in it, so yeah, if you want to make this, just keep watching. So to begin with, make a slip knot and chain 41. If you want your hat more slouchier, then add more stitches. So once you're finished with your chain, you are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then you're going to single crochet into every chain to the end. So for anybody who's new to crochet, a single crochet is when you insert your hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over, and then pull through 2. So insert your hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. So after that first row, you'll have something that looks like this. So for the second row, you're going to chain 1, turn, and then you're going to single crochet into the back loops of every stitch. So insert your hook into the back loop, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. So continue working into the back loops of every single crochet right to the very end. So by working into the back loops of every stitch, it creates this ribbon effect. So yeah, just keep continuing that way to the very end. So for your third row, you're just basically going to repeat the same thing as your previous row. So chain 1, then single crochet into the back loop of every stitch, and keep going until the piece is long enough to wrap around your head. For me, I did 58 rows. So once you have your 58 rows, you're going to join both ends. So you're going to slip stitch both short sides together. So fold your piece in half, just like so, and then just slip stitch all the way across. So once you've slip stitched all the way across, you're going to cut your yarn but leave a long tail. So fasten off, then grab a yarn needle and thread that through your long tail. And then you are going to weave that long tail in and out through both sides, just like so. So once you're finished weaving it through, you're going to pull tightly so that the hat scrunches up, and then you're going to want to secure that. So insert your yarn needle in and out a few times until you feel that it's secure enough. So once it's secured enough, just cut your yarn and then turn your hat inside out, and that's it, you're finished. So if you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Of course, please subscribe. If there's anything you'd like to see me make on this channel, please leave it in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. So until next time, take care.